Oui, le tlo se ntho tse ntle jwang. Nna ke kopa photo. Le bantle ya.
Now, thank you so much to the excellent solutions. A representative from Kagisho, May I request the instructions of Mayor Thank you so much.
Trophy certificate.
Thank you, Rajema.
I get.
Thank you, Rajema.
Okay. Thank you very much, Program Director.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back on stage. The District Director for Motheo Education District, Mr.
Thank you very much, Program Director. We are almost there. This is the last category. The last category. If we can just have your cooperation. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. MEC, Majoro, and everyone, ladies and gentlemen, Motheo Education District MEC is led and ably led by a team of 6 branch managers who made sure last year, MEC, that our schools are supported, our learners are supported, our educators are supported. And more importantly, MEC, they listen to what you say and implement that. Therefore, we really want to recognize their dedication, selflessness, and patriotism in this particular instance. And then the first one is the acting Chief Education Specialist for Education Development and Support, Mr. Hobe, who is the Program Director for the day. Thank you very much for your hard work. Yes, this is the branch which reports to Mekwelane MEC. You are psychologists, you are social workers, psychosocial support, and ably supported by the believer, Mekwelane. And then the second one is HR, MEC, HR, the appointments, transfers, all HR related issues, is Mepiso representing Ndade Chabalala. The third one, MEC deals with your payments, payment of service providers, transport, etc., led by the Deputy Director Ndade Mashibini. Yes.